So just a note before we get into the video, I just got done editing the major portion of it. Now I'm going back and adding the music where it needs it, a few subtitles here and there. I'm still learning how to do tech reviews my way, still working on that, trying to get that down. I think I have gun content down pretty well, just still working on tech reviews. I know a lot about tech. My wife will attest to that. I'm very much a tech geek. It's just a matter of getting my thoughts and words out onto the video here like I want them. So, think of this as more of it's definitely an unboxing, it's a first look, but it's also practice for me. Let's begin. This is another non-technical review by Tennessee Matt of the iPad Pro 10.5. iPad Pro 10.5. Why do I have it? Well, I mainly have it for work. It's a whole lot easier for me personally, taking notes and whatnot, being able to use an iPad. Still need to get a keyboard though. I already had the iPad Mini 4. Perfect little size, 8-inch screen. I really like this. I usually have it connected to my Bluetooth speaker at work, sitting on my desk, so I can just play Pandora, Amazon Music, YouTube, Jimmy Buffett concert, whatever. So that's why I have this one. Why I have this one, like I said, taking notes and whatnot. I've already got the case for it, same brand case as I have on this. Apple makes a nice case, but I like having the back protected as well. Well, let's go over a few specs. iPad Pro, very nice thin bezels on the sides. Top and bottom is still the same because you got your camera up here, and of course you got the home button, Touch ID sensor. This has the A10X Fusion chip, screaming fast processor for an iPad. Amazing speed, no delay, latency, whatever. But my favorite feature of this, and one that I can't really show and get across on camera here, is Apple's ProMotion. You really notice it when you're scrolling through things. Let's open something up here. Scrolling pages. It's so smooth. Really the only way I know to describe it to someone that has never seen it before is the first time I saw a 4K 60 frames per second video. Just the buttery smoothness of that is what this reminds me of. The ProMotion, what it does, changes the refresh rate of the screen and takes it up to 120 Hertz. Standard iPad is 60 from what I understand. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me down below. Like this screen, just scrolling through, I can tell a major difference. So when you're just doing standard stuff, just kind of looking at the screen, not really moving much, it's anywhere from like 24 to 60 Hertz. But once you start scrolling, moving around, that's when it jumps up to 120. And that's when you notice the just the buttery smoothness, like I said. Now, another thing that makes this such a great tablet computer replacement, even for some people, is iOS 11. iOS 11 added this dock down here where if you're in a program, you can pull it up. Let's say I want to watch YouTube over here, pull that up, move it anywhere around on the screen. So let's say I'm in Chrome here and I'm browsing. I want to pull up Pandora. You just touch, hold, pull it up here, and it brings it up kind of at the forefront of whatever you're doing. You can drag it around, put it wherever on the screen that you need. But let's say you want to have a split screen. Pull it up. There's a little line here at the top. Just drag it up. And now you've got split screen. You can make one side bigger, one side smaller, whatever you need to do. So there's that. I don't have a keyboard for this yet. I'm still contemplating between the Apple Smart Keyboard or the Logitech keyboard. I'm probably kind of leaning toward the Logitech for a couple reasons. One, it's cheaper. Two, the keyboard's backlit and has Apple's keyboard shortcuts. That's big to me, because one of the uses I'll have for this is if I need to do some quick video editing, I'm not putting a ton of music, a ton of edits, transitions, color grading, anything like that into it. I can just use iMovie on this, and I do plan on getting the Apple Pencil just to help editing here, make it a little bit quicker. You can use your finger, but Apple Pencil would make it a little easier, a little quicker. So there's that. I also do most of my thumbnails for YouTube with Photoshop Express. Amazingly fast program, a lot of features for a free program from Adobe especially. A really big fan of that. I've also used Snapseed before from Google. So I know we didn't go into a ton of detail on this today. I've really only been using it for a couple days now. I will keep using it, and maybe we'll do a 2-month update, 4-month, 6-month, whatever, whenever I feel like doing an update on it. Maybe when iOS 12 comes out, we'll see what features it offers and do an update on it then. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another non-technical tech review from Tennessee Matt. We'll see you around. Just a quick side note, this is like the most airtight box I've ever tried to open. Apple is really known for their design. Here's the mic. This is an excellent design if you're looking for an airtight box. Thanks for watching.